Hello. My name is Anna. I want to tell you about my day. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I open my eyes, get out of bed, and go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and take a shower. The water is warm, and I feel good after the shower. Then I go back to my room and get dressed. I put on a shirt, pants, socks, and shoes. After that, I go to the kitchen. I eat breakfast at 7:30. I usually eat toast and fruit. I sometimes eat eggs. I drink orange juice or milk. Breakfast helps me feel ready for the day. After breakfast, I take my school bag and leave the house. I walk to school. It takes about 20 minutes. I see other people walking too. I see cars, buses, and trees. I like the walk. It is quiet in the morning. School starts at 9 o'clock. I go to my classroom and sit at my desk. My teacher says, "Good morning," and we start the lesson. In class, I learn English. I read new words. I listen to the teacher. I write sentences. I speak with my classmates. I like learning. Sometimes I ask questions. The teacher helps me. I try to practice every day. At 12 o'clock, I eat lunch. I usually eat rice, beans, and chicken. Sometimes I eat a sandwich and drink water or juice. After lunch, I go home. When I get home, I do my homework. I read, write, and study. Sometimes I listen to English on my phone. Sometimes I ask my brother for help. At 4 o'clock, I take a short break. I eat a snack like a cookie or a banana. I drink some tea. Then I help my mom at home. I clean my room or wash the dishes. I help set the table for dinner. Helping at home is important. In the evening, we eat dinner together. We sit at the table and talk about our day. My dad tells funny stories. My sister talks about school. After dinner, we sometimes watch TV. Sometimes we play a card game. Sometimes we just sit and talk. At 9:30, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on my pajamas. Then I go to my room. I sit in bed and read a book or write in my notebook. At 10 o'clock, I turn off the light and go to sleep. This is my daily routine. It is simple, but I like it. I learn new things. I help my family. I enjoy my day. Thank you for listening to my story.